Hi, Joe. This is Lisa Twist from Micah, and I wanted to just give you an overview of what I did yesterday and hope that we can connect in the next couple of days so that I can provide any more assistance and talk a little bit more about where you can go to find more information and how to build the course from here. So to start, you'll see that I have uploaded a syllabus template. We are going to be starting on October 15th. Hopefully the Tuesday still works for you from 8 until 10. Obviously some information will just need to be added in here. I did also highlight the link for Zoom. You do have a pro account. I made sure of that yesterday. So if you need some help creating a room link, that will stay the same every week. So we'll just copy and paste that link right here so students know how to get into your course. Course description, course learning objectives. I did send you an email yesterday asking if those textbooks were still, something that you would want to use. If not, no worries at all. Just let me know and I can send out information to students if there is a book you want. Otherwise, you can just upload different readings and videos, as the weeks go on. Basically, the course requirements are the same. I did make notes here about the structure of the course being through Canvas and working through modules, which I'll show you here in a moment. I provided some students with any information regarding technical assistance, and obviously that applies to you as well. Again, we will make sure that we add in just a few pieces that are highlighted in yellow. But feel free to look over all of this information and see if it makes sense for you in the course. I've gotten, I have some information here about assignment submissions and student participation and overall course grading. A lot of this came from a previous course. So again, you are more than, you've rights to change whatever works best for you. Similarly, I took this schedule from the course that was taught last fall, and you can obviously edit, but I just wanted to give you something to work with to start. And really the rest of this is really just about the Micah policies. So from here, and I don't know exactly how you've organized your courses before, but I think I mentioned to you that I like to work with modules. So we have a welcome and start here module. And if you click on the welcome letter, you'll see again, just a boilerplate. You can obviously change all of this, but the idea is to provide students with just a little bit of information before they get started into their actual modules. You can change everything by hitting edit and then going in and changing, whatever it is that you want to change. So the other piece after we have the welcome module, you may or may not be familiar that students are being asked to participate and fill in a BioSig, which is an authentication system. So that lives again back inside of that week 1 module. And then beyond that, you will see that there, let me just move week 1 up to week 2. So the idea is that any information you want to share with students, readings, presentations, videos, you would essentially start to add things into your weekly modules. So you can pull things from a Google Drive, you can pull things, here's the Google Drive, so on and so forth. So this is where I know that you probably want to add in some information that has existed in a previous course. So I wanted to just let you know that I did enroll you in the visual storytelling course that was taught last fall. You may need to accept your invitation to that course, but you'll see that it was taught by Justin Lloyd. And you can take a look in here and see what you like, what you don't. I'm a little, just a little bummed out because some of these recordings were done using Adobe Connect. And unfortunately, we no longer have that program as far as I know. So you may, for some reason, be able to open it. I'm just now playing with it now just to see in case I can. Oh, maybe I can open it. Okay, well, I'm going to let you see if you can do that. And if you can, great. But if not, then just be aware that hopefully some other information in here, some other information in here will be helpful. And I'm happy to help you move things over or transfer or whatnot. Obviously, in each week, there might be some images that would be helpful to you. You can also take a look at the different assignments that Justin assigned last time. And we can edit, we can change, we can, do whatever you want to make it work for you. I know that this is a relatively last minute charge. So what I would say is let's go ahead and see if we can at least build out weeks 1 and 2, maybe week 3 to get us through the month of October. And then you don't need to do much yet with weeks 4 and 5 and 6 and so on. We can build those as time goes on. But at least you have access to Justin's course so you can see where he went and what he did. You can download what you want, and then we can also re-upload this into your own course. So if you want to contact me after you've had a moment or two to sort of digest all of this, please feel free to let me know, and then we can go from there. All right. I hope you have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye.